Fats essential for the synthesis of hormones and the absorption of nutrients. Pay attention to foods high in healthy fats, such as olive oil, avocados, almonds, and seeds. A diet rich in proteins. People who want to gain strength and muscular mass often follow a diet high in protein. Every cell in the body needs protein for tissue growth and repair. Benefits: it increases satiety, aids in recovery, and encourages muscle building. It may also help with weight management. Sources include dairy products, beans, fish, eggs, lean meats, and protein supplements. Things to think about: balance. Make sure you're getting enough fats and carbs to suit your energy demands. Quality: steer clear of processed meats and opt for high-quality protein sources. Keto and low-carb diets. Low-carb and ketogenic diets aim to force the body into a state of ketosis, when it burns fat for energy, by drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption. Benefits: it may help with endurance, mental clarity, and weight loss. These sources include foods high in fat, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, oils, and fatty seafood. You should consume a modest amount of protein and low-carb vegetables. Things to think about: nutrient consumption. Monitor your vitamin and mineral intake to prevent deficiencies. Adaptation: this diet, also known as the keto flu, may require some time for the body to adjust. Plant-based nutrition. Whole plant foods are the focus of a plant-based diet, which minimizes or does away with animal products. It can help achieve a variety of fitness objectives and is high in nutrients. Benefits: this product is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. This can aid in weight control and reduce the likelihood of developing chronic illnesses. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and plant-based proteins are some of the sources. Things to think about: protein sources. Make sure you're getting enough protein from a variety of plant sources. Preface: welcome to this peaceful voyage of calm and relaxation. Let the soft tunes lead you to a state of tranquil relaxation. Beginning soft instrumental music. The voice of the narrator. Feel the tension leave your body as you close your eyes. Release all of the tension from the day by taking a deep breath and letting it out slowly. Picture yourself in a calm setting with the soft sounds of nature all around you. Soft wave sounds, forest soundscape. Feel the gentle breeze brushing over your face and the warmth of the sun on your skin. You become more relaxed with every breath. Allow the music's beat to lull you into a state of relaxation. Melodic instrumental humming sound. Your body is totally relaxed and your mind is calm. Enter a tranquil sleep where you have soft, soothing dreams. You feel secure, at ease, and content. Lullaby music fades softly. Allow yourself to be lost in the night's quiet as the music fades. You're prepared for a deep, rejuvenating slumber. Sweet dreams and good night. End of instrumental music. Balanced food to avoid nutrient shortages. Make sure your food is well-rounded. In conclusion, your lifestyle, personal demands, and fitness objectives will all play a role in selecting the best nutritious special diet. Before making big dietary adjustments, it's crucial to speak with a medical expert or a qualified dietitian to be sure they will suit your needs. To achieve and maintain fitness and general health, keep in mind that balance and consistency are essential. I hope this provides you with a thorough foundation for your 3,000-word piece. To get the length you want, feel free to add more to each part. Please contact me if you require any extra information or have any more queries. A well-balanced diet for overall health. A balanced diet provides all the nutrients needed to maintain health, vitality, and general well-being in the right amounts. Proteins are macronutrients that are necessary for muscle growth, repair, and general bodily function. Lean meats, fish, dairy products, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds are some of the sources. The main source of energy is carbohydrates. Choose fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Fats essential for energy, hormone synthesis, and food absorption. Add sources such as olive oil, avocados, almonds, and seeds. Micronutrients. Vitamins essential for healthy bones, energy production, and the immune system. Make sure your diet includes a range of fruits and vegetables. Minerals are essential for muscle contraction, bone health, and hydration. Dairy products, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are examples of sources of minerals. Hydration. Water is necessary for every body process, including digestion and temperature control. Try to consume 8 glasses of water or more each day. A diet rich in proteins. Athletes and bodybuilders who want to gain more strength and muscular mass are especially fond of this diet. Benefits for muscle growth. Protein supplies the amino acids needed for both muscle growth and repair. Satiety. Eating meals high in protein might make you feel fuller longer, which helps you control your weight. Recovery. It reduces recovery time by aiding in tissue repair following exercise. Animal protein sources include fish, poultry, beef, pork, eggs, and dairy products. Plant proteins include quinoa, almonds, tofu, tempeh, chickpeas, beans, and lentils. Keto and low-carb diets. These diets encourage the body to achieve a state of ketosis by lowering carbohydrate intake and increasing fat intake. Benefits of weight loss: aids in improving body composition and lowering body fat. Mental clarity. Many individuals report experiencing increased mental clarity and attention. Energy levels. They prevent energy crashes by providing a consistent energy supply. Fat sources include fatty seafood, avocados, nuts, seeds, and oils. Meat, fish, eggs, and low-carb dairy products are examples of proteins. Leafy greens and other non-starchy veggies are considered vegetables. Plant-based nutrition. Whole, plant-based foods are the main focus of this diet, which can be modified to meet different fitness objectives. Advantages: the nutrient density is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Prevention of chronic illnesses may lower the chance of developing conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Weight management aids in maintaining a healthy weight. Sources of fruits and vegetables include root vegetables, cruciferous vegetables, leafy greens, and berries. Legumes include peas, chickpeas, beans, and lentils. Whole grains include barley, quinoa, brown rice, and oats. Periodic fasting. A habit of eating and fasting alternates between phases. The benefits of weight loss include the promotion of better metabolic health and the reduction of body fat. Strength training can enhance muscle gain. Longevity. Certain research suggests that it may enhance general health and longevity. Techniques. 168 method: eat within an 8-hour window after a 16-hour fast. The 52 method involves limiting calories for 2 non-consecutive days after eating regularly for 5 days. The ancient eating customs of Mediterranean nations served as inspiration for the Mediterranean diet. Benefits for heart health. This reduces the likelihood of developing heart problems. Weight management aids in maintaining a healthy weight. Because of its balanced macronutrient profile, sustained energy lasts for a long time. Nuts, seeds, and olive oil are beneficial sources of fat. Fish, poultry, and occasionally red meat are examples of lean proteins. Plant-based foods include whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. Diet without gluten. It eliminates gluten from all sources, which is crucial for people who have gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. Benefits for digestive health. This may lessen the discomfort and bloating associated with gluten intolerance. Inflammation reduction. For those who are sensitive to gluten, this may lessen inflammation. Energy levels. A gluten-free diet may provide some people more energy. Sources: nutritious and naturally gluten-free fruits and vegetables. Meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products are examples of proteins. Millet, rice, quinoa, and gluten-free oats are examples of gluten-free grains. In conclusion, achieving your fitness objectives depends on selecting the appropriate nutritional special diet. Finding a diet that fits your interest and lifestyle is crucial because every diet has different advantages and things to keep in mind. Speak with a licensed dietitian or other healthcare expert to ensure you make informed choices that support your entire journey toward fitness and health. The secret to long-term success is balance and consistency. To get the length you want, feel free to add more to these sections. Please let me know what topics you want to explore. Exploring topics such as meal planning, understanding macronutrients, or the impact of exercise on nutrition can provide valuable insights. Subscribe my channel.